Shocking, 50% of people yawn just from reading this. That's right. Yawning is so contagious, even seeing the word yawn or a description can trigger one. This isn't just a physical reaction, it's a powerful social cue linked to empathy and mirror neurons in your brain. Your brain essentially mirrors the feeling of a yawn, whether you see it, hear it, or even just imagine it. So, a contagious yawn isn't just tiredness, it's a sign of your amazing social connection and empathy. Did you yawn while watching this video? Tell us in the comments. Why down pointing backhand index?